of the Pact. I will answer your questions. Anything else?
No, that was it.
I need to be going. Until we meet again.
Am I gonna play more of Life is Strange? Probably not. Just because, like, the whole time I was playing it, like, it just felt like it was just, like, high school problems all over again. I just, like, I don't know, it didn't really suck me in. Like, I've heard really good things about it. But, yeah, it just didn't pull me in the way I thought it would. So for right now, probably not. Let's take this out. Take that. Okay. Take that. Ooh. Let's see. So I just want to have like one of everybody's little symbol down there. Those are 2 swords. I want to have a real feel-good game. Is this game not making you feel good? This is super positive, man. We're like cleansing the world right now. Nah, I get it. There we go. Okay. I think I can just pretty much sell all this stuff. Dude, as dope as this hat is, I gotta let it go. Play the daddy simulator? Oh shit. That didn't really sound like too appealing in my eyes, you know? I could sell all this, but I don't really want to. Alright, there we go. 97. Shit. I'm still carrying a bunch of heavy shit. Yeah, I've got played Deadpool. Oh, dude, I played Deadpool when that game first came out. I loved Deadpool. That's my favorite Marvel character of all time. It almost got to the point to where I almost got the entire Deadpool core tattooed on my arm. Like Ladypool, Dogpool, everybody. I got a shitload of Deadpool comics, actually. Yeah, Deadpool's fucking amazing. I was so pissed during, I forgot what X-Men movie it was. Was it Origins? I think was his first like on camera where they like sewed his mouth shut, but he wasn't really Deadpool. He was his code name. I forgot what it was. Yeah. Smoking these guys now. Is it Weapon X is his name, right? His like code name. I think it's Weapon X. Oh, this is back where, okay. This was back where I was exploring like a couple hours ago. Yeah. Oh. Damn, that scared the shit out of me. But on the calendar right now is I want to beat this. Then I want to play Death Stranding, and then Ghost of Tsushima. So that's probably the next like couple weeks there. I don't know if I'm gonna like Death Stranding. So that's kind of up in the air, but I do want to check it out because just came out today, I think.
Please.
Hola.
I come because of a message that was sent to me.
Wait. This is the Onol Menawi of the Lugay de Blau. The one we wanted to talk to.
We should do a movie night. Tonight? Maybe. I don't know about tonight.
I came
We'll see.
following the instructions you had left the secretary of our
I
embassy.
think like a weekend
But I
would be
wasn't
better.
expecting to
Maybe,
find
like
you
Saturday
near the
night or something.
corpse of a member of the Ordo Luminis.
We were told that there was a man different from the other Renaigse amongst the Lugay de Blau. Someone who sometimes helped our people. This is why we talked to the man in the large house. But we don't
Just a dead
really
body right
know who you are.
My name is de Sardet. I'm the legate of the congregation. It means that I am in charge of the diplomacy with the other nations. And yes, I have helped your people a few times.
A diplomat is someone who talks, right? Not someone who fights.
I know how to fend for myself, if that's your question. But will you tell me why you made me come here?
2 nights ago, we attacked a group of Red Suns who were taking away some of our people. Many of them fled. But we captured this man, and we made him talk. We wanted to know where they took our brothers. And he talked about a secret camp.
Why would the Inquisition take natives to a secret camp?
To confuse their minds. They torture them until they renounce the truth and praise the sun. This Red
Praise
Sun
the
was mocking
sun.
us. He said they would burn us, like the others. He had killed some of my brothers, so I killed him.
If what you say is true, then indeed, we cannot let the Inquisitors continue. But because you killed him, we can only take your word for it.
Maybe not. The Red Sun had a key on him. And also some words sealed in bark. We do not know how to set them free. But the Renaigse do, don't they?
The letter ordered this man to join the escort party of a group of natives. This partly confirms what you told me.
Do the words say where the camp is located?
No, but the address of the Inquisitor is written.
What is an address?
This is how we refer to the place we live in. I suppose the key you found is the key to his door.
So you can go to his house and look for more words.
I suppose so.
You must do it, or the suns will keep burning our people.
Very well. I will go visit this man's home. I will come back to you if I learn anything more.
Hurry. Our brothers may be dying in the meantime.
Okay.
Go back to town.
I had a feeling we would end up having to search Inquisitor Cloudus's house at some point. So I'm gonna get to the front of his house, and then I need to take about a 15-minute break. We just got dinner. So I'm gonna just go eat real quick, and then we'll be right back. It's probably be about 15-20 minutes. I am starving. Living on snack food while gaming all day is probably not the best idea, you know? Even though it's totally a choice, you know? I gotta say, I'm absolutely shocked that the Inquisitor who killed someone over not renouncing his faith in the middle of like a town square is up to some shenanigans. Shocked. Totally shocked. Alright. So just real quick, like I said, I'm gonna take probably about 15-20 minute break. I just need to go get some dinner, and it's just gonna be paused. So about 7:35 we'll come back. So 7:35. I will see you guys in about 20 minutes.